Hi, in this video I am going to show how you can install a WordPress theme. Just open your WordPress admin dashboard. On left panel you can find out Appearance tab, then Themes. Just click on Themes. So you can see here which theme is active already. So 2023 is active by default from the WordPress, and also some other themes already installed in your dashboard. Now first what you need to do, just remove the installed theme which you are not going to use. So I'm not going to use this theme, so just remove it first. To remove, you can just click on the theme details, then you will see here delete option. Just click delete button to delete, and also another one. Just delete it. Okay, I delete already. Then you can click the WordPress themes option to find out new theme. Here you will have a lot of themes that you can use for free, and you can just type here what type of website required. For example, health related, so you can find out a lot of theme that health related or health and fitness related, or if it is like a shop, you can find out some store, online store, that theme is available. So any model theme you can search here by keyword. Also you can see here the popular themes, it's listed here, and also the latest one you can click, and you can filter the theme from here. So I'm going to search here a theme called Astra. It's a popular theme, so Astra I'm going to install. So click the install button to install. So it's already installed, so I'm going to activate this theme for this website. So it's already activated. Now I'm going to click the customize button here to customize the theme. Okay, this is already open. Now we can see here on the left panel side the settings are here for the header area, footer area, and pages and menus, and all this you can get from here, and you can do the modification from here also for this customize area. Once you modified or edited your website, you can click the publish button to save the changes. I'm going to close this one now. The main area for editing in the backend here, customize area also you can edit, and also here you can add more pages for your website. Click the pages option, and already by default there is a pages. You can add a new page option. Click the add a new page. You can give a title for your page. Then also you can add your headings and text or paragraph, images, some editing options here. You can add columns, and then you can publish or save as a draft. So now you can see the new page is added here. So you can add multiple pages here, and also you can use some page builders like Elementor to make more attractive your website. To add a plugins, you can click the plugins option, and you can add a new plugins like a page builder or contact list or a chat box, or any plugins you can add it from here. Most of them are free, and for website tools and settings is available here, so you can edit from here also your website and settings. And for media option, you will have images and videos which you use for your website. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.